Well, as you can see here, we've got two seats. Jim and I did these yesterday, and this is just a little preamble to a video that I'm trying to put together about the story about these seats. If you can remember, they came from Ghana and they were pretty bad. I'll try and put a little insert in here.
I don't know, all you've got left of that one is a frame.
All the bars are buggered, haven't they?
Everything's gone. Yeah, what have you got nothing left on there? What is it?
What?
What is this part? It's a
60-40 split seat.
okay.
So I can warm them up now and get them
Okay.
off, but that is just shot enough.
No, it's right there. That's the back then, isn't it? Or is the seat?
That's no, that's the back because it's got the clips on the sides though.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Anyway, it's many thanks to Ben who provided these covers. They were very nice. You don't have to clean them. But we're going to have a look at the seats that Andy provided, the covers. Now, nothing wrong with that, nothing wrong with that, but they just need a bit of clean and tidy, and that's what we're going to do today. So this is the 60-40 seat for the mid-row. There's no rips or tears in it, which was good. I'm pleased about that, and thank you very much, Andy, because they were really hard to find here. Bit grubby, and he told me they were grubby. I'm not a problem, because down here we've got the Karcher Pussy fabric cleaner, upholstery cleaner. Now, we did toy with the idea of putting them in the washing machine first and then putting them on, leave them to dry and put them on. Then we decided not to, because it might sort of shrink, stretch, we don't know. And we had a hell of a job with these as well, because the original foams were knackered. They'd compressed so much, so we had to boost them up with a bit of polyester. You'll see that later. I'm in the process of, like I said, trying to cram a lot of hours of video footage into about 30 minutes. I might have to split it up into sections. Anyway, they're good. They're good. Those seats over there, the front seats, they don't need cleaning, but these could do the clean. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this Pussy, my Pussy. And what it is you put hot water and a cleaning solution in the tank, then you spray it on. Well, we turn it on first. Sorry. Spray it on. Get it all nice and sprayed on. Like I said, we're using this product here. This is Oxy Clean. This was kind of expensive, but it's good. Deborah borrowed it and didn't bother getting a new one, but anyway, we have enough to do instead. So you put a mist on. This has got quite soaked, but it's got another feature that it vacuums. This is a clever bit. Now in a minute, down here, you'll see all the dirt coming out. It's starting to go now. Can you see it? Let's do a little zoom. Give it another spray. There you see. That'll do for now. It's getting a bit noisy. Do you want to see how filthy it was? That's the water. Look at that. And I bet you, if I drain this off in the sink, you'll see how much dirt has actually come out. In fact, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it for a little while, let it settle, and then we'll have a look. So I've let this sit for about an hour or so. I'm going to pour it down the drain and see what's at the bottom. Yeah, since I've moved it, it's all washed up, but it was really silty. Perhaps you can see in that corner, so it's doing a good job. It's drying out a bit, but it's a bit patchy, so I've ordered some more product, and what I'm going to do is just going to spray a bit on, go over it with the scrubbing brush, and then use the Karcher again to give it one last go and see how it turns out. I'll come back with the results.